In this video, we'll cover changing the hold open arm location. Before you begin, please check to make sure the following parts are included in the kit: a door bracket, 10 1/4 by 0.75 Torx screws, 4 1/4 20 riv nuts, 4 1/4 20 by 1 inch bolts. The tools you'll need are a riv nut tool with mandrel, 7/16 socket, 2 9/16 wrenches, 3/8 inch nut driver or T30 driver, 2564 drill bit, and a drill. Step 1. Remove existing hardware. Start by removing the safety chain from the door bracket and curb. Keep the hardware as this will be reused. Next, remove the screws holding the bracket to the door. Then remove the door bracket from the spring pack by removing the bolts with 2 9/16 wrenches. Keep the nuts and bolts as these will be reused. Then, remove the spring from the spring pack that the hold open arm will be moved to. Remove the screws holding the bottom plate on with a 7/16 socket and set it aside. Step 2. Install left side hardware. Bolt the bracket from the kit to the spring pack arm with the bolts that were removed, and screw it to the door with the 1/4 by 0.75 Torx screws. Place the new hold open arm through the door bracket and attach the red handle to secure. Mark the placement for the hold open arm bracket, drill holes, and install the riv nuts. Fasten the hold open arm bracket to the curb. Now, place the spring into the spring pack and replace the bottom plate. Step 3. Install right side hardware. Begin by bolting the bracket to the spring pack. Fasten the bracket to the door with the 1/4 by 0.75 Torx screws. Next, attach the safety chain with the hardware that was removed. Begin by placing one washer on the bolt, then the eye bolt. Place through the hole on the door bracket and follow with an additional washer and the bolt. With the opposite end of the chain, mark a hole, drill, install a riv nut in the curb. Thread 2 washers onto the bolt, slide the chain on, and then add 3 more washers before attaching to the curb. Step 4. Operation test. Open and close the hatch to make sure the unit operates free from air. If you have any trouble with installation or operation of this product, please contact customer support.